Hi guys. Good afternoon guys. No, good. What did I say? Hi guys, it's your girl Sal. Today we're going to do possessions as interior design space part 4. She is a real estate agent who recently just got married. Within the field of her home is an Edwardian style. Within that style, she wanted me to incorporate a mixture of Scandinavian and a mixture of Victorian edge. So within that, I'd like to introduce you to her. Her name is Molly, and shout out to you for wanted me to help to design your home for this video. Thank you so much and stay tuned. Hi guys, it's your girl Sal. So today I wanted to talk to you about possessions and interior design. I met a mother who recently just got married. She is a gym goer and she loves everything to do with interior design, and she is a part of real estate, and which inspired me to do this video because I am an interior designer that focuses on sustainability in interior design sectors such as commercial and residential spaces. So with that, I decided that I wanted to infiltrate her inspiration and her prized possession into the design elements of an interior design space. So let's hear her voice note, and then I could tell you how I emulate that into the field of interior design. What is your favorite item, like a bag or antique that you like, or jewelry, or anything luxury?
Probably my engagement ring.
Oh! That's really nice. So what would you say a good residential or commercial space would look like for an engagement ring? What would you say as a real estate?
Early Edwardian.
Nice.
Like post-Victorian era.
Yeah.
So I love like all those sort of features, but then not keeping it really traditional, like putting a modern spin on that.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna try to do. You said your favorite item would be your couch.
Yeah.
And then your bedroom space. To do with nature, or something to do with her favorite flower, or anything to do with like weddings. I think that would be the greatest thing to do. And then the color that I want to incorporate is beige, white, and either a mixture of sage green or gold. I think that would be very, very good for the type of style that she told me that she's interested in. Inshallah, all will be well. Hope you enjoy your time, and yeah. So guys, we currently have a few of the material that I've already infiltrated into the design space. So currently we have diamond from Havwood, we have the veneer from Havwood, we also have the Antica flooring, the terrazzo material, and then we also have the mirage and porcelain material as well. In addition to that, we have another terrazzo. So that's 5 pieces of elements within the design space. Now I'm going to show you how to incorporate that into the field of interior design, specifically when it comes to bedroom design. I'm going to show you how I adjust a floor plan from a previous design from Axel that I refused to submit. Guys, stay tuned for tomorrow as I show you what it looks like when it comes to finalizing my design and readjusting the floor plan.